Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Find your star stable install and note the exact executable you launch. You download a Reshade installer compatible with your GPU and grab a simple preset to test. Once done, make a backup of star stable, exe and current shader folders so you can restore if needed. This prevents breakage. Also run the game once to confirm the path. The installer will need that executable to inject into. You run the Reshade installer and point it directly at the star stable executable, then pick the correct rendering API. Match the game's renderer so shaders load properly. Next, select a small set of core shaders such as SMA for anti-aliasing, tone map for color, and bloom for highlights. Avoid huge shader packs at first to reduce conflicts. Once installed, launch the game, press the Reshade key to open the overlay, and make incremental changes so you can spot which effect does what. You load a preset and adjust exposure, color balance, and sharpness to fit star stable's visuals. Make subtle changes and test by riding around. Once satisfied, save the preset and keep a copy outside the game folder. If the game crashes or shows a black screen, revert to your backup files immediately and reinstall only the core shaders. As a troubleshooting tip, disable shaders one at a time to find the culprit, and make sure your GPU drivers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.